In today's video, I'm here to share with you every single fragrance I've worn over the past week. If you're interested, then just keep watching. Hi, my name is Ayesha from simplyayesha.com. Here on YouTube, I make videos about fragrance, beauty, luxury, and lifestyle. If those are things you're interested in, please subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I do these videos every few weeks. Usually I publish them on Sundays. However, this week, y'all are getting in on a different day. My schedule has been all over the place. I've been traveling and all of that. So y'all are getting it on a different day. So please forgive. Anyway, these videos are very relaxed. In them, I come on every single day and tell you what fragrance I'm wearing, a little bit about the fragrance and why I chose it for that particular occasion. At the end of the video, I come back and let you guys know my 3 standout fragrances for the week, and those could be standouts for good reasons or for bad reasons. So let's go ahead and get into this week's fragrances. All right, so fragrance for today is Reflex d'Ambre from Maison Francis Kurkdjian. This is an amber scent that's very like translucent it's kind of translucent amber. It's resinous, it's a little bit sweet, it's a little bit vanillic, but it has this very like airy vibe that I think makes it special, and it's hard to explain, but I feel like that makes it special. It also kind of has like a slight animalic lean, very slight. And yeah, when I say animalic, I just mean like skin like smell to it. Anyway, I know y'all aren't used to seeing my face in these videos, but I'm actually vlogging at the same time, so double coverage. So anyway, I picked this for today because I brought it with me out of town and I felt like it'd be a good daytime scent. Sunday. Hey y'all, so Sunday night, it's a night I'm wearing Amber Intrigue by Tom Ford. This is a warm amber scent. The amber here is kind of thick. It's warm, it's a little bit resinous, it smells a little bit vanillic, but it does have some punch to it. And yeah, I am wearing this tonight. This is one of the fragrances I bought with me from out of town. I feel like it's great for like a date night. I also forgot to mention this, slightly boozy, and that is one thing that I really like about it. So yeah, this one I'm wearing for tonight, getting ready to go out to dinner, and I felt like this would be a good like nighttime date night scent. This is my fragrance that I'm wearing for today, so in case I forget to share it with y'all, but it's a More Cafe from Mancera, and it's a coffee fragrance. It's been a while since I wore a More Cafe, but I feel like this one is not gonna last me all day, so maybe during my lunch break I might change to this or add this on top. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Hey y'all, it's Monday night, and tonight I'm wearing Amber Intrigue by Tom Ford. This is an amber scent. I think I showed it to y'all already in this video, so we're not going to spend time on it. But decided to wear this tonight because this is kind of like my nighttime out of town scent. So I'm sorry you're getting a repeat, but don't worry, I'll be going back home tomorrow. It'll be a different scent. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing for tonight. So it's Tuesday. We are getting ready to go down for some meetings, and today I'm wearing Naked Laundry from Born to Stand Out. This is like a laundry scent, yes. So it smells like fresh, clean clothes, but then it's also kind of dirty. So it has this kind of animalic musk to it, which I find makes it very interesting because it's that juxtaposition of clean and dirty. And when I say dirty, it's not like extremely dirty, but I feel like if you have never tried anything that's animalic or anything that smells like skin that's warmed up, then you would probably want to sample this or any other fragrances in the Born to Stand Out line with the animalic note, because some of them can get really like a little bit too much. I don't find this to be one. I find this to be easygoing, but I would say if you're interested in this and you've never tried an animalic scent, you probably should sample it and don't blind buy it. But anyway, decided to wear this today because we'll actually be leaving today, and I felt like this will be a good scent to wear on the plane as well. Today is Wednesday, and today I am wearing Santal Carmen from Atelier Cologne. This is a saffron. As you can see, I'm back home. I didn't say that before, but this is a like saffron, sandalwood kind of scent. It's airy. It's a little bit creamy and almost milky. Not quite milky, but like a milky, creamy type of sandalwood. But it's beautiful, airy, but it still has presence. It's a little bit spicy and woody as well. So anyway, decided to wear this today because I'm tired. I didn't want to wear anything too strong, and this is actually on my fragrance tray, so I decided to just go ahead and pull for this today. It's Wednesday night, and tonight I started out by applying this Gourmand Deluxe body oil from Block& Noir Skincare. This is a like caramel buttered vanilla type scent. And the fragrance I'm wearing is Escapade Gourmand from Mesa Mataha. I forgot to mention it, but the oil that I showed y'all is actually inspired by this fragrance. So yeah, this is kind of like a caramel toned vanilla. It's mainly a vanilla, but it definitely has like a caramel creme brulee type of undertone to it. Smells a little bit buttery. It's warm. It smells food like, but it does kind of have this airiness to it that makes it like not too much for me. Even though it is a sweet scent, it's not too extremely sweet in my opinion. So decided to go for this tonight because I didn't know what I wanted to wear. I just got out of the shower and I just wanted to wear something easy. I'm tired. Probably going to be heading to bed pretty soon, but decided to go for this. So it's Thursday and I am getting ready to take my daughter to school and then do some stuff around the house. And I got this new bottle in. It has my name on it. I did buy this. But this is New Look from Christian Dior. And I wanted to wear this today because it's new. I do have a haul video to do, but a lot of times I like to like smell my fragrances before I actually haul them for y'all. And so I smelled this one when it came in. It was a blind buy, which y'all know. It was a blind buy, but like it's very interesting smelling. So I wanted to wear it today and just see how it wears on my body so I have more to say about it when I actually talk about it on the haul. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing it for today. But it's kind of like, from what I know so far, it's kind of this very clean type of scent. Puts me in the mind of like a dry cleaner, to be honest. But yeah. Y'all will hear more about this at some point soon, hopefully. So yeah, this is what I am wearing for today. It's Thursday night, and tonight I started out by applying this Anillo Fig Whiskey Body Oil. This just smells like a boozy, slightly fruity type scent to me. And then my fragrance for tonight is Minuit et Demi from Fragrance du Bois. This is a bit of a boozy, coffee, cardamom scent. Has some caramel in there too. I love this fragrance for like date nights and yeah, I didn't know what I wanted to wear tonight, so I decided to pick something from my fragrance tray and decided to go for this. But this is a fragrance that I absolutely adore. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing for tonight. Today's Friday, and today I'm starting out by applying this honey body oil from Victoria's Secret Pink. It just smells like honey. That's it. And then the fragrance that I am wearing is Solar Flare from Ojar. This is like a honeyed floral. I think it has like osmanthus in it, so it kind of gives it that apricot type vibe. I think it has like orange or maybe mandarin in it too, but it also, so it has this kind of like bright sunny disposition, but then it's also kind of creamy. Anyway, I don't wear this much. I've only probably worn it maybe 2-3 times. So I decided to wear this today because I was just trying to think about what I wanted to wear, and I wanted to wear something kind of bright and happy, and I saw this bottle. So I decided to go for this for today. It's Friday night, and tonight I'm wearing Vanilla Whisper from Brown Sugar Babe. This is their impression of vanilla powder from Matière Premiere. So it's like a coconut vanilla type of scent. And my fragrance for tonight is Vanilla Powder Extrait from Matière Premiere. So this is a newer version of vanilla powder. This one is a dark vanilla. It still kind of has that coconut powdery thing going on, but it's mainly like a dark vanilla, some woodiness. And yeah, decided to go for this tonight because I wanted to wear something kind of cozy, but something different. And I haven't worn this in a few weeks, so I decided to go ahead and pull it out for tonight. Today is Saturday. I'm showered and dressed, and I started out by applying this Santal Bloom body oil from Saltaire. This smells like sandalwood and a little bit of floral. It's very easygoing. I feel like this is the kind of scent that you could basically wear with anything, but the scent is still there. And then my fragrance for today is Luster from Amouage. So this fragrance I haven't had too long, but to my nose, it has sandalwood in there, which is why I paired it. But to my nose, I feel like this comes off more like incensey, like frankincense, to be specific. But it's not heavy. It's done in this kind of creamy sandalwood way. There's something very zen and calming about this. I don't know if sage is a note in here, but it's definitely giving me sage vibes. So I decided to wear this today because I'm just getting ready to run errands with the family. Got to go buy a new dishwasher, which I don't want to do. So I figured I needed something calming today. I don't know if y'all like me, but I hate spending money on stuff like that. Like, I really do. I hate spending money on it. But our dishwasher started leaking. First, I thought it was just a fluke. But no, it's not a fluke. So we definitely have to get one now. But I can't complain too much because, I mean, we've been in our house 11 years and this is our original dishwasher. So anyway, all that to say, I'm wearing Amouage Luster today. It's Saturday evening. I'm getting ready to go to my book club meeting. So today I started out by applying this Boom Boom Body for Mesa oil from Sol de Janeiro. This smells like caramel pistachio coconut. And then for fragrance, I went in with Amarud Golden Oud. This is it's an oud scent, but to me it's more like a caramel oud with some like fruity nuances, almost like some bright fruits at the top. It's an interesting scent, but it's not hard to wear. Like, it's hard to explain, but it's easy to wear, if that makes sense. So even though this is an oud scent, I find it to be very likable and sweet. And yeah, I think it will be like crowd pleasing, even though it's not a mainstream type of fragrance. So I decided to go for this for tonight because the book that we are talking about, the main character, her nickname or pet name is Butterscotch. And this doesn't smell like butterscotch, but it puts me in the mind. But I also just sprayed a little bit of this on top, which is Queen's Caramel from Ellis Brooklyn. But to be honest, I feel like I can't smell this at all, but I wanted to add to that kind of caramel vibe because I think butterscotch is just like buttered caramel, to be honest. So I put this on top just to kind of add to the vibe because I want it to be more in theme. So it's Sunday morning and I'm giving y'all an extra day. Decided to give y'all a little extra day because I knew this video would be going up late. So I was like, yeah, I might as well do Sunday as well. So anyway, it's Sunday morning, getting ready to take my shower. And I am going to be showering with this saffron and cedar body wash from Salt and Stone. So in essence, this smells like Baccarat Rouge 540, but not as strong. So like a lighter, more airier version of that, maybe a little bit more sweet. But yeah, it definitely gives Baccarat Rouge vibes. So I'm starting out by washing myself in this. And then I'll apply just a regular like unscented lotion, but then I'll go in with my Salt and Stone body spray in the same scent, saffron and cedar. And then my fragrance today is Amber Fever by Mancera. So this fragrance is on my fragrance tray for the month, but it has that kind of same airy, like ambery vibe as Baccarat Rouge. They don't smell the same though. But this one does have like a booziness to it. It has a little bit of sweetness to it, but some depth to it as well. And yeah, it's just an easygoing scent that is unique in my opinion. It's one that's hard for me to explain, but basically I guess it would be like a boozy amber, sweet, transparent fragrance. Yeah, decided to wear this today because I'm actually not going to church today, but I do have to go to one of my studios. And so I felt like this was a good scent for that. Like, it's easygoing, it's daytime appropriate, but it's not boring either. So yeah, this is what I'm going to wear for today. So it is Sunday evening and I'm getting ready to take my shower because it's date night. So tonight, so we're going out for my husband's birthday tonight. Tonight's not his birthday, it's actually tomorrow, which is Monday, but we're going out tonight. Anyway, I'm going to start out by applying this Fig and Whiskey body oil by Anillo. This smells just like a boozy, slightly fruity scent. And then my fragrance for tonight is Side Effect from Initio. This is a boozy, leathery scent. So to me, it smells like rum, kind of like a sweet, dark rum with leather and saffron. So it's very dark. It's very kind of brooding, but it's also very like sexy. So I felt like this would be a great choice for date night. And it's actually on my perfume tray for this month. I haven't had a chance to wear it yet. So I figured tonight would be a great night to wear it so I can get some use out of it before the month is up. But also because I love this fragrance and I haven't worn it in a long time. And so I was feeling this kind of vibe. All right, so I had a lot going on this week, but I also smelled amazing while I was doing all the things. So I do have 3 standout fragrances to share with you, and thankfully they're all for good reasons. So the first fragrance that I have is from Fragrance Du Bois, and this is Minuit et Demi. This is a fragrance that I love. It's on my fragrance tray this month, but it's a fragrance that I love. It's a coffee caramel, slightly boozy, dark cardamom, kind of nutty scent. I love it. It is so beautiful, and it's not too strong. It kind of sits a little bit closer to the skin, which I really feel like works for this scent profile. And it's a standout because I wore it one evening this week and I was really enjoying the way I smelled. And then I got a compliment on it from my husband. So y'all know when I get compliments for these videos, I do try to include them as a standout. So yeah, this is my first standout, Minuit et Demi from Fragrance Du Bois and Demi Rawling. The next standout is Reflets d'Ombre from Maison Francis Kurkdjian. So this one is a standout because I took it out of town with me, and honestly, I could have worn this for every single occasion while I was out of town. Like, I really could have. I love it. It's an amber scent that kind of has this like resinous vibe to it. Kind of almost smells like a honeyed amber in a way, but it's done in this very translucent way. And it does have a slight animalic lean, but nothing too crazy. I really enjoyed wearing it, even though I enjoyed the other fragrances I took out of town with me too, don't get me wrong, but I felt like I could wear this the entire time. And that's saying a lot. Like, I could have worn it day or night the entire time I was gone. So I felt like it had to be a standout. So again, that's Reflets d'Ombre from Maison Francis Kurkdjian. And then the last standout is Golden Oud from Armour. Now, technically, I did mix these two, Queen's Caramel and Golden Oud. However, when I sprayed it on, I really couldn't smell the Queen's Caramel. So I really think that the compliment I got was due to this. But, you know, take that with a grain of salt. I did get a few compliments. I wore this to book club Saturday night, and I did get a couple compliments. And before book club, I actually had to go into Best Buy. And when I went in Best Buy, the cashier was like, I was getting a pickup order, and she was like, oh, she asked for my ID, and then she was like, by the way, you smell really good. Like, she couldn't hold it in. So that was a great compliment. That was a stranger. And then I went to book club, and the girl that sat next to me, she was like, oh my gosh, you smell really good. What are you wearing? So I told her the name. And then of course, as more people came to the book club, I did get like maybe one or two other compliments on it, but they all know I'm into fragrance. But I felt like that real standout compliment was the one from the cashier at Best Buy because it was from a stranger. But anyway, I love getting complimented. I thought I smelled really good wearing this, and it worked for the setting and everything that we're in. We were sitting outside, and I just felt like I just smelled really good without smelling overpowering and without smelling too sweet. Even though this is sweet, I just felt like it wasn't like giving food vibes. So I was enjoying it. So again, that is Golden Oud from Armour. So those are my standout fragrances for the week. Let me know if you've tried any of the fragrances we talked about today. And also in the comments below for these videos, I love for you guys to leave your standout fragrance for the week, like one standout fragrance, whether that be for a good reason or for a bad reason. I love y'all to join in on the conversation. Make sure you check out my description box down there. I'll have links to all the products that I mentioned, including any body care that I featured. I'll also have any discount codes that are available. And then I will also have links down there to everywhere else you can find me. So my social media and my website. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.